Hello friends, welcome to your channel EshtechZ. In the previous video, I gave an introduction of Selenium Automation. Today we'll see demo of WebDriver and what is WebDriver. Let's start with our next topic. In this course content, we'll already covered the introduction part. Today we'll see how WebDriver works, and all this topic we'll cover in our upcoming videos. So before watching our demo, let's understand that what is WebDriver. It is a web automation framework which allows us to execute tests across various browsers. It can execute multiple tests over multiple browsers on multiple operating systems. Here we can see in the diagram that multiple browsers accessible by WebDriver, where we can run our scripts on any browser. Selenium WebDriver is not a standalone testing tool. It's an API that allows you to programmatically interact with any browsers as a real user would. Although Selenium is primarily used to help test a web application, but can be used for any task where you need browser automation. For any beginner, best platform to learn automation is Gmail sign-up page. Yes friend, when I was in the learning phase, I used that Gmail sign-up or any hotel sign-up page, where you can enter your entries through send keys. You can select your date of birth through drop-down list, or you can submit your entries by clicking on the submit button. So all these operations you can perform and learn automation. In Selenium 2, integration of WebDriver was considered, which was designed to address few limitations of Selenium RC. So these are the features like it can test dynamic websites where the content of pages changes by a mouse click. By WebDriver, mobile automation is also feasible. So friend, let's see that how WebDriver works in our demo. This is my basic code to execute a browser with few entries. Here I open the Firefox browser by using WebDriver. Then I put implicit wait and the maximize code, URL, some entries and submit button and driver.close. So let's see how it works. Now here it opens our Firefox browser. It maximize, it get your URL. Now after loading the complete page, it will provide all the send keys. And now here it close our existing browser. So now you can see that our automation demo is executed successfully. So this is how automation works, friend. This is the basic code that I execute through this browser. So in the next video, we'll see installation of Selenium IDE. So please subscribe, like, share and comments, and don't forget to hit bell icon to get the latest notification. Happy learning. Thank you.